I'm Kathy Willis, Professor of Biodiversity at the University of Oxford. Maybe you should take your headphones off when you're walking through nature. I certainly do now. And that's because the evidence base shows that sounds of birdsong, we can hear some now in the Botanic Gardens, sounds of water, wind in the trees, all of those make us physiologically and psychologically more relaxed. But not all birdsong does this, and you have to be careful which birds you're near, because that really harsh squawking of a crow, for example, it doesn't matter what your cultural background, that raises your stress levels.